earlier, whenever I'm saving some money, one side I'm feeling good, another side, bah, these many problems are there. By keeping these many problems, saving this amount, is it required really? Like I felt multiple times, multiple times. But after starting the series onwards, that feeling by default gone. Array, these problems always will be there. Always will be there. If there any perfect time I'm not having the problems, I don't think. Then, if you whether you are saving or not saving, problems are always there. Okay, let me save. Let me save. I decided next while saving, I'm feeling that okay, I'm creating wonderful golden slave for me. It is going to work for lifetime. That psychological feeling I got, I'm experiencing. I felt that while saving. Next, I told right. Have you remembered in the last from last 1 month, 2 months, 3 months onward, at least 1 rupee every day you require to save. At least 1 rupee every day you require to save. Whenever you are getting the money, at least 10% you require to save. Simple. Combine both the things. At least 1 rupee every day you require to save. Whenever you are getting the money, at least 10% compulsory you have to save. So every day 1 rupee, why you require to save?
Habit. To make a habit.
To make
Consistent.
that habit consistency. Consistency, I'm following that. Savings is my part of daily routine, not salary day routine, not monthly routine, not weekly routine, not yearly routine. Savings
Sir,
should be part of my daily routine. For
sir,
that,
yes.
at least 1 rupee, you require to save. Whenever you are getting the salary, whenever you are getting the income, then in addition to that 1 rupee, at least 10% better to separate. Okay, just very recently, just 2 days, 3 days before, I opened my kitty bag. Almost some X amount I got. I asked my kids, my wife, can you please open this? Every day small amount I'm saving. Now how much bigger, Like they only counted. I intentional asked them, can you please count and let me know how much it is value? Then what I did is I invested somewhere. While investing, I got the feeling that, oh, golden slave. Okay, I'm creating a wonderful golden slave. I'm keeping the right hands. I'm keeping somewhere. Okay, your job is you require to work for your lifetime to generate wealth for me. That feeling I got, okay, while doing that investment. This thing must be required, dosto. If you want to struggle financially forever, sir, forever I want to struggle. Forever I want to struggle. Okay, if you can pay 1 crore, your kid may get MBBS or otherwise may get MD seat, but you are not in a position to pay. If you pay some amount, your kid may get, may enter into IIT or may enter into NIT, a better opportunity there, but you are not in a position to bear. Your family members is asking, shall we go for Europe trip? Sorry, our financial support is not going to be there. N number of compromises you want to do, N number of opportunities you are going to miss. If you want to miss, then don't do this type of savings habit. Struggle until your lifetime. Okay, struggle until your lifetime. Not only your generation. Happily you can make your next generations also struggle.